My weld deposit is hard and I can't machine it. What did I do wrong? This doesn't happen as much these days as it used to, but it's still possible that you're welding on a casting that has more carbon in it than a low carbon steel. And so it's possible, if you don't preheat the part, that you can have the carbon come out of the base metal and get into the weld metal, and in the process of freezing, a fast puddle freeze, you end up with a hardenable deposit. The beautiful thing about bore welding is you can re-weld the bore on top of that and temper the underbead and possibly get to the point where you can actually machine that part. If the weld deposit is too hard to machine and you do a weld pass over it and you can't machine it, then at some point you're going to have to get a torch out or a rosebud or Cooper heat or something and take the thing up to just under critical temperature, which would be the phase change between magnetic and non-magnetic. So you don't want to go over that, but you want to be just underneath.